We're really thankful to Ms. Merlin and KFI for coming to Amity University, Dubai and helping our students learn some basic financial skills. These skills are important not just for their academic purposes, but also very essential, a life skill which students can use throughout their life, in employment as well as in life, and they get to know the competency of how they can utilize their finances better. Thankful to Dubai Islamic Bank and KFI for this initiative.
Hi, my name is Iman and I attended the KFI program today where I learned a lot of things about credit cards which I never knew, even though I've had a credit card for a very long time. I think it's important that students, especially younger, even older people, take this program because it teaches you a lot about finances, and everyone wants to get rich, but we don't know how. So I think this program is very important for everyone to learn and kind of just expand their knowledge on something that everyone has, but no one knows how to use. So I think it was really informative and knowledgeable, and thank you.
Hi, my name is Kirtan Pandya. So I attended this session by KFI on money management. So basically what I learned from this session was like there are different types of debts which I didn't know. Like I didn't know how to like divide loan into like good debt and bad debt. So now I know that there are also good debts, and also I know how to like manage my budget even more in a better way. So yeah, it was really helpful for me. I learned a lot. I thank everyone for this session. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Abdul Wahid. I attended this session by KFI Global, and this program made me realize that there are so many people who have a bachelor's degree or a master's degree or in different fields, and yet they don't know how to manage their finances properly. And without managing their finances, it doesn't matter which degree they have. And I hope that as a technology student, I won't have a lot of classes in business. So I'm very glad to have attended this, and I feel like I've learned a lot. Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Akhil, and the reason I believe that a lot of people should attend this, a lot of people I meet in my life are very indifferent about their finances. They just don't care about it, and they just think, oh, money comes, money goes, we live for today, not for tomorrow. So what I think people should do is they should understand the importance of saving, and this program by KFI helped me understand the importance of saving, because even myself, I just live in the moment and don't think a lot about the future. So like by attending this program, I understood the importance of saving and how much hidden debt is there in credit cards as well. So that's the reason I believe a lot of people should attend this program. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Creola James, and I initially attended the session from KFI Group thinking that a certificate with financial literacy would look good on my CV. But throughout the session, I learned that this was very insightful, because I personally am an impulsive spender, buyer, and like I spend without thinking, and I think, oh, where did all my money go? So like this session made me realize how much the value of money truly is. And you become richer by not from your earnings, but rather from how much you spend. And it was very a wonderful session. Thank you.